Hey guys, back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can create a Gantt chart in Google Sheets with just one click. So here, what you need to do first is of course go to this address docs.google.com/spreadsheets, and this will be open. And after that, here on the template gallery or in here, because I already use one, you can see there's an option to Gantt chart, but if you can't find it in here, you just need to go to the template gallery, and in here the Gantt chart is on the bottom on the project management section. Just click on the template right here, and then your Gantt chart will be created just like that. So you can just make a few changes to adjust it with your own project. You can change the project title here, the project manager, company name, also the date, and here maybe you need to change some like some items in here, but this is pretty good because you don't need to create it from scratch. Okay, so that's a tips from me. I hope this will be helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and also click on the thanks button below. Bye.